Okay, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are color grading this DJI Mavic drone clip, a D-log file. As you can see, we have different clips merged together. We have three clips, 1, 2, 3. So we'll first of all detect the sync cuts, that separates all of them to be three different clips so that we can work on them. So to do that, highlight the clip, you go up to timeline, then you click on detect sync cuts, then you allow DaVinci to do its magic. So it will not take much time. See, it's going. It will not take much time. So it has detected it. So you see, okay, it detected 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I calculated 3, but DaVinci detected 4. Yeah, I missed this one. You see? So we've detected it. It's now 4 clips. So let's start the color grading process. So to color grade, we just have to pick one file. Since they are all shot at the same place, probably the same time, let's just pick one as our hero frame. So to do that, we'll navigate to color page, or you press your shift 6. It will move you to this. So this is it. So this is how your DaVinci color page will look like.